country.
Hello everybody at home, whether you're inside or outside.
Hello.
Hi. So today we woke up to some rain.
So it's
Liquid
raining outside.
sunshine. Hey, we're in Thailand, so guess what? Even if we're drenched and wet, we're still pretty warm. It's quite humid. So what you see here is a combination of sweat and rain, but it feels great. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off our Monday morning Kidfit with one of our favorites. Price came up with it. We haven't done it in a long time. They're calf burners. Calf burners. What do we do everything in? What's the rep count? 10. We do 10 calf burners to quick jumps. So here, I'll give you a quick preview. We're gonna do a preview. So we do 10 calf raises. This is kind of the warm up to our workout. So we're gonna do 10 calf burners, then we do 10 quick jumps, 10 of those. Then we do 10 straddles with no arms, kind of like a modified jumping jack. Then we do 10 half jumping jacks where you put your arms straight out to the side. Then you do a full jumping jack for 10, and then you go back down the ladder. So from the 10 jumping jacks, you do 10 half, 10 straddle, 10 quick, and you end with the 10 calf raises that really get the lower leg muscles warmed up. And then you'll see what we're gonna do next. Are you ready, wet heads? We're gonna start with 10 calf raises. You at home can count and do this with us. You're gonna be my counting assistants. We're gonna breathe. We're gonna wake up. We're gonna go. I don't know why I do many things, but it's kind of more fun to stream sometimes. Here we go.
Let's get started.
Woo! 1, 2. Meanwhile, 3. There's nobody out here. 4. Everybody's inside. 5. Except us. 6. 7. Squeeze your calves. 8. We got 2 more. 9. Now we go to quick jumps. It goes faster. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10. 1, 2,
3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
half, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
a full jumping jack.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Back down the ladder.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Straddle.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And straight up and down.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And this is why it's called calf burners.
1,
Woo.
ow! 2, 3,
Uh-oh.
4,
Lost my balance.
5, 6,
Go up high.
7,
As high as you can.
8,
2 more.
9,
And
10.
oh, high five a person next to you. If you have a friend or a pet or a doll.
Yeah.
So that was our warm-up.
And high five to all of you.
Holy cow, high five to all of you. That was our warm-up, and now what we're gonna do, we haven't done them yet, virtual Kidfit, but it's Monday, it's raining, so we're just gonna go bonkers. Gonna go a little cray-cray. We're gonna do, oh, she's going, she knows what she's doing. We're gonna do some burpees. Now I know some of you out there either love burpees or you don't like them. It's kind of a love-hate relationship. But the only reason you wouldn't like them is because they're challenging. But once you do them, you feel so good and strong. You'll feel good about your day if you do them. So, all right, she changed her mind. She's gonna be up here on the grass, softer surface. So what we're gonna do is today is April 27th. It's the day after Mr. Brookings' birthday, right? So I know the date. It's April 27th. We're gonna break down the 27 into 3 sets of 9 reps of burpees. We're gonna do 9 quick burpees. You don't have to stay with us. Price might go faster than me. I might go faster than Parker, I don't know. We just have to count in our head 9 burpees. Once you've done 9 burpees, Then you can rest and catch your breath, and I'll show you what we're gonna do in between the 3 sets. So to get ready, we need to be in push-up position. Yep, the camera, you can kind of see us, hands underneath the shoulders, nice straight back. We're gonna be in push-up position. Pull the knees, hold that position, kids. Pull the knees to your chest, jump up as high as you can, get right back in there for 8 more. Here we go, ready, set, begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
I got 5 more. I got 4 more.
9.
I got 3 more. Oh my gosh, you guys are fast. I got 1 more. And wipe those glasses off.
You guys did a good job.
Yeah, they did. Did you do another group high five?
Yep.
Okay, here's what we have to do in between.
Ow!
High plank position. I'm gonna turn sideways. I want your back flat. We're gonna do high plank, sways, sways. Bryce, can you tell me, Parker, if you can see my back in the camera?
Yep. See?
Okay, ready? You go forward and back without lifting your back up. Forward to your toes and back. Okay, Bryce, Parker, get in position.
For how many?
9. Ready? Forward. That's 1. Forward. 2. Nice and slow, Bryce. Forward. 3. This works the core.
4,
This is
5,
5.
6,
5 more.
7, 8,
They're going a little faster. That's
9, 10, 11, 12.
Parker, Parker, you want to do some bonus ones. All right, so that was our first set. We need 2 more. Can we do it?
Yep. Yep, just wait.
I don't know. She wanted to do a bonus lap. She's running around light posts and trees. Do you see her back there? Be careful. Well, might be a little slippery back there, but let's go. All right, so we're gonna do 9 burpees. We're gonna do them without her. She's running. She wanted to run. I'm gonna turn sideways on this one. Ready, set, go. Here we go. 1, 1. Halfway. Oh wait, no, did I do 10 last time? I did 10.
9.
You guys, I did not very good counting.
I did a big laugh.
I did 10 last time. Okay, we have to be in high plank position. You
For
ready?
what?
The 9 plank sways. Here we go.
Dude,
Push
you got a
position.
bench.
1. We got
Each
1 more set after this. 2. Whew. 3.
I'm gonna do it on the bench.
4. Perfect. 5. Feel these.
I'll go right here.
6. Raindrops keep falling on my head. 2 more. Last one. Ah, raindrops. Raindrops.
I gotta exercise.
Well,
1 more.
you can do that later. Because we got 1 more set. Okay. Who? Price. Can you do 9 more burpees?
Yeah.
Parker, can you do 9 more burpees? She's gonna try her best.
No.
Can you do 9 more burpees? Let's go. Price is going.
Whoa.
1,
Whoa.
2,
3, 4,
4.
5, 7.
I'm slipping.
Ow! Oh yeah.
I'm
It
not
went
stopping.
in the mud.
I'm making mud. Okay.
Ugh.
1 more.
No.
Bryce. 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 Bryce is doing a lap. Parker's down there playing in the puddles. Washing our hands off. The reason I'm stalling is I'm trying to catch my breath. 9. Plank sways. It's just you and me. I got left. You ready?
Yeah.
He's back. You ready, Parker? Here we go. This is it, grand finale. straight back. Strong core. Breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like your pace, Price. Nice and controlled. 6. Yeah, it is. 7. 2 more. 1 more.
I'm doing it on the bench.
Oh, Lord.
It's
It's okay. She's done the best she can.
I'm doing.
Parker. Not sure what that was, but life goes on, I wanted to say good job. Whether you did this inside, outside, in the rain, outside of the rain. But I had fun. That was challenging.
I think you
Let me know how your workout went, and I will see you next week. Parker, you want to turn off the video? Thumbs up, high fives, everybody.
Bye.